Hello, people of the world. Hello. My name is Duncan, and this is DunacnYT, and this is another blog thing. Yeah. So sorry, I apologize, and I'm sorry that I haven't done one of these for a while. Yes, things have happened. Yes, so because we had Halloween and we've had Bonfire Night and what else? Remembrance Day thing. My room has changed. Because my mum come in a couple of days ago and moved everything. Yes, wasn't very happy about that one. But yeah, so everything's now been cleaned, moved. Also, as you can probably see, let me just change the camera around. What else to swap the camera around without breaking the camera up to me? Oh. One there, and the other one. Finally put them on the wall. What else has been up to? So yeah, I carved a pumpkin with my mum. I will put that footage in as I can work if I can edit that in, because editors are a little bit of a nightmare. So carved a pumpkin. That was a couple of weeks ago. Went to watch Douglas Firework show. That didn't go well. Because we couldn't see the fireworks in the first place, and we had to move, and then we had to watch it out the car when we were trying to watch it in the car. Fireworks. Recorded some more gaming videos. I've been playing a lot of Farming Simulator. What else? Been at college. Talking to my friends and stuff. What else? What has been up to? Check me out on Twitter and Instagram and Discord and all that. So new content coming this way, and I'm starting to also, because I've only got like 2 weeks of November. I think it's like 2 or 3 weeks until November finishes, so I've got to record on that, and then I got to start thinking about Christmas. Yes, Christmas is on its way. So yeah, if anybody has any suggestions for any recordings for that, let me know. You can, help out by, helping the channel out by, follow me on Twitter and all my other social medias that will be down below. My Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Discord, and all that down below. I need to actually change the description. That reminds me, I will do that. I will do that later. I'll do that later. So I will put in the end of this video footage of me carving the pumpkin. That'll be maybe I might put a picture of carving the video that I done when I was carving it. For health and safety reasons. If anybody does that, if you do that and you're a little kitty, make sure you do it with your parents. I'm just saying that. But fireworks and thing. Also, it was the 100th year anniversary, so I hope everybody, done a minute silence. Not minute silence, 2 minutes silence. Sorry, I don't know why I said a minute there when it was 2 minutes. Maybe because I was concentrating about something else. Yes. Why can I hear knocking noises? Is that my mum making a noise? Maybe. Anyway, what else have I been watching? What else have I been doing? Well, I've been watching a lot of The Flash. Good. I haven't fully catched up on that yet. Same for The Arrow and Supergirl and Legends Tomorrow. Same for Annie Mac. But also I've been catching on a series that it's been going on for a while, and I'm just catching up until I can get to the new episodes. It's called The Dumping Ground, and I watched it when I was little. It's on the CB. Let me get to this right. CBC. It's on the BBC. Yes, it's on the BBC, the British Broadcasting of something. Idiots. I said nothing. If anybody wants to, tell me, if the BBC wants to try and find me, good luck on that. Because it is the BBC of idiots, aren't they? Anyway, only joking. Or am I not? Maybe. been listening to a lot of music. Ariana Grande, that's good, and Shotgun, standing at a shotgun, that one. What else? Despacito, singing Puerto Rico. That's it. I hope I don't get any copyright thing. I'll just sing some songs I've been listening to. Yeah, I've also got my gloves and scarf. This will probably, can we see them? Okay, no, come on. I'll tidy my head. Can I put this on one-handedly? No, I can't. Let's just put that back there using one hand. Yes, so help me get to 200 subscribers. You know, help by subscribing and help get the channel to 200 subscribers. And I'm going to do more of these bloggy things, you know, to keep you updated. What else has been going on? What else has been going on? It's Thursday, and Thursday is my Friday, technically, for a lot of people. Do like 5 days a week at school, I'm at college, and I only do 4 days, so I'm on the weekend now, and I'm going to do some lot of recordings and have a lazy week thing. Also, what was that going? We're going to try out a doggy, so they might be a new family member in the house. Yes, I wonder how the cat's going to get on with that. I'll let you know about that one. Yeah. Yes. I just found this old trophy that I remember getting from school. 2008. Yes, this old trophy thing. I'll put it back up here. Everything's full. That's just full of the teeth. Oh, I shouldn't touch this. It's dust. I'm just gonna put that back because I've just touched it and it's broken. So yeah, follow me on all my social medias. You know, I comment and, you know, tweet and find out a bunch of stuff. Remember to like, share, do the notifications, subscribe. I will also at the end of this video, I'll do a little thing and I'll add in yeah, sorry about that. I had a couple of memory problems. So yeah, I'll have to add this all in and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna add them videos in. I'm gonna, you know, edit this in because, you know, I editing's boring, but yeah, I have to do it. Yeah, I don't want to get into politics, but as we speak, there's all this chaos with, you know, the Brits and the Theresa May, yeah, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and all that. So yeah, what else? I was just finished watching an episode of Dumping Ground, as you can probably see. Can I close in? No, it's not gonna. That's not gonna do it. Okay. That's just gonna be a pain in the bum. Yes, so hopefully you are all having a lovely day. And I don't think I'm gonna do this more often. Yeah, I'm gonna try and definitely do one a week. What else have I been up to? Recording videos, editing videos, been playing some video games, talking to my friends online, taking pictures and selfies, you know, selfies. What else have I been up to? Well, I didn't clean my room. My room got somehow cleaned. Yeah. So remember to hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and help the channel get to 200 subscribers. A lot of things planned for. Yeah, there's a lot of things planned for Christmas, but I'm not going to say much right now for the channel. So, you know, we'll keep that secret for now. I need to wrap this up because I've got memory problems. I need to look into my phone and stuff. So, yeah, not much else has happened. Check me out on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Discord, Facebook and all that. So yeah, my name's been DunacnYT, and this has been a vloggy vlog thing, and we'll do these more often, and I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Keep an eye out for more vlogs or gaming videos coming soon. A lot of stuff coming soon. Wink, 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 wink. Remember to hit that like button. Also subscribe and help the channel get to 200 subscribers. Also check me out on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, all social medias. Also share. Also ring the little notification bell so you can check out or when it gives you a little notification when thing. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another gaming or blogging video. This has been DunacnYT, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys, and but no, hang on. Let's just say bye, people of the world. Adios, amigos, and I'll see you soon. This has been a vloggy lug, and I'll see you soon. I'm gonna take a selfie. Bye, guys. Bye. See you soon, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Just note to self. Now there'll be some little video clips of a pumpkin I carved and fireworks. So yeah, I'll see you soon, guys. See you later, people of the world. And this has been DunacnYT, and I'll see you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
we're going to miss getting a parking space so I can move.
Now the council has decided to instantly move them. So everybody here is quickly abandoning their parking spaces to find a place to watch it.
Oh, this is ridiculous. They've moved it further in.
I know.
Everybody's having to move.
I know.
I'm going to stick it here for a moment. Let's just go.
And we watch it. Where are they?
I don't bloody know. They're not going now. They suddenly stopped.
You can blame the Douglas Council.
What's that? No, that's not the Douglas Council ones.
Oh no! What?
That'll be private.
No, it said 543.
Well, it's not gone. They've got a technical problem. It should go there. No, I think we're actually okay.
No, stay there.
I am moving the car in.
But why did it say 543?
Honestly, watch this. That's not Douglas Council Fireworks. I don't think they've gone off.
3FM just said 1, 2.
That's not them.
Yes, they are.
No, well, what's it doing up there then? It's not them.
Yes, it is. Go over there. It's the only one. Oh, you know.
Why is it there?
Because it'd be on the beach.
There's no beach there. It's there.
No, it isn't. We're missing them.
What a bunch of fucking wankers. Where are they doing it from then? I don't think so.
Why would they say 3, 1, 2? I'm going to try and get closer.
Everybody's doing the same thing. I don't think they've gone. I think this is a different one. Well, where the hell have they got them then? I don't think they're running. I honestly don't think that's it.
We're just going to find a better parking spot. Apologize for any music. That's from 3FM song. Anybody else see any fireworks?
No, there's no fireworks going. I'm gonna grab this parking space.
Yeah, they are going.
Where are they?
There! You're bugging me now.
It's not on the beach.
Let me get out. Let me out. I'll go and see where they are. I think they're doing it on the head, Douglas Head.
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah. You can't see them. You gotta get up. Looks like.
That's on the beach, that's actually out.
Oh, is it on the, or is it where the, oh.
It is where it normally is.
Why can we see it?
Because I think obviously there was a malfunction as usual. I don't think it's like a full time, it's just
they're definitely doing them on the beach this year because we would normally see them where we were.
I think that's how you not see it honking?
No, honking, that's where we
Because
were.
it's not just going off over there.
Yeah, I think they're low this year. That's why everybody's having problems seeing them. I think they've changed the thing quickly. Oh, deal with the wind and everything. Is that it? Cutbacks.
Oh no, that was higher. That's good.
Oh,
Get it.
I've been trying to get it going. I think it's because it's raining. Oh, we're getting really wet. Oh, I know. Oh, so everybody's not having to come out because the view. I think the view. I'm sure the barge used to be in there. I think they're doing it on the Tower Refuge.
Oh yeah, right.
That might be where the confusion's gone. But I thought it was. Unless they, no, they're doing it from the memorial. That's the memorial. I wondered if they'd have to change it last minute because Ben didn't go. So I wonder if they didn't get the barge over. I'm dealing with all weathers here.
Hey, that looks nice.
Yeah, I like it. Ooh. I'm actually shivering. I think most people will put complaints about that because everybody thought it's on the barge. It's not. It's on the beach. I'm trying to hold on to the wall, but it's too cold. We slowly walk down. Over a year. I didn't think I would be actually coming out. I thought we were going to stay in the car.
It's just as well you didn't come out yet.
Oh,
That's bloody freeze.
yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think they're having problems. Oh, that wind.
I'm just like, oh, so what the hell is this?
Look, everybody's rushing around to move. I think people have realised it's not where it normally is.
It's usually higher.
But is that the... No, is the barge not the one for the TT? Maybe we're getting confused with the TT fireworks.
It's usually better than that.
No.
Usually they light up buildings.
I know. Maybe Douglas cutbacks.
Oh no, I don't want to.
Twitter thing right now.
Oh, that's it.
I know, I thought we didn't need gloves.
Bloody girls. Oh, sorry for that. Oh.
Well, we were not prepared for that.
Pizza's not allowed on there either when it comes to constabulary.
Oh yeah, we'll bribe them.
Can you've just flown about? It's still get bits of pizza in it.
So we had to quickly get out because we couldn't see it where we were placed. We had to move, didn't we? Oh,
It was that bad.
and they've got worse. Anyway.
Oh, it was bloody awful.
Oh, my bubble.
Oh dear, I've never laughed so much about bloody hell.
Do.
I'm absolutely frozen. Well, that was all of 18 minutes of complete crap.
Yeah, there was some good one, nice ones.
Oh, it was terrible. What the hell were they doing?
But you couldn't see it where we were, so we had to move, as you could probably see. And now we're going to have traffic problems. But I think I tapped that mat on camera. You just see. Oh no, are we going to go up this way or are we going to go? Now the problem is there's traffic in the we can go that way or we go down into the foot there. Yeah, I can see it over there. So yeah, we had plans for this place, but our plan went wrong. I was getting ready to get my selfie stick put on the camera. Up here is the best place for me. We should have taken it here. I don't know if it's but then we don't at once. Yeah, freezing cold. Also, I had apologies for the wind blowing me. Did you see that when I was trying to hold it, I was like this, holding the selfie stick, and the wind was blowing the pieces. Complaints will be going to Douglas Council for moving. Yeah, for moving. Because we thought it was going to be on a barge and we were in the sea. All of a sudden I suddenly one of the lights went on behind me and everyone was like, we were confused over the disaster. I catched it on camera.
Nice houses down here, quite like down here.
Yeah.
They've got a good view.
Yeah, so, yeah, just summaries. Cold, wet.
It was disgusting.
Mum had to move the car because it was in the wrong place, as you could probably see.
Oh, it was funny.
Well, we've had a bit of fun tonight.
No, it's just awful. I mean, it really is. It really is beyond a joke.
Mum, you wanted some there were some nice fireworks by the time they lit.
What's they got going? They were awful low, though. They weren't very high up.
I liked the big red one.
Well, yeah, when they got them up in the sky, it was really good. It's just that they were very low down.
Yeah, so I would give...
this year we're going to give it 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Sorry, council, if you watched.
Last year was minus because it didn't go.
Did we watch? No, we didn't. Have we ever gone to watch the TT one? Or was that too late on?
I think
because that's the one
have been.
that goes at midnight.
Oh god. Well, that's because it's summer.
Yeah. Yeah, so we won't be going out to that until next year now. But I tell you now, it's cold on this island.
Oh, it's really freezing tonight.
I don't know
It's
if
the
you can see my
wind.
hands, but my hands are gone coldy.
They've got a purple colour.
I know.